Top of the good hour to you, everybody. How are you today? Today, we're going to test out some Covergirl. Turns out I already have a primer, so I'm going to use this today. This foundation, however, Covergirl Clean Fresh Skim Milk, aloe vera extract, and coconut milk. Alright, sounds very nice. Let's give it a bit of a wear test. Alright, so we're going to start off with our Covergirl Outlast All Day Primer Base. So give this a bit of a comes out very white. It's very soft. Especially around that T-zone where it gets a bit oily. So this sounds really nice because it is a dewy finish, and I love a dewy finish. Some of this Covergirl on. I'll look at it in a second and see whether it's full coverage or not. So just reading up on it a little bit, it says that it's vegan, no sulfates, no parabens, blurs imperfections, sheer buildable coverage, and an instant all day hydration. So that's exactly what kind of foundation that I love. It's not for everybody. Obviously, if your face is too oily, it probably won't work for you. I have, combo skin, generally dry in all places but the T-zone, so a dewy look suits my complexion. Look at that, it's quite nice. So it is buildable, so I might just put a little bit extra. Just see how long this will last. A tiny bit more there, and there. Very happy. Look at that, it's quite dewy. So if this lasts, for me this is the perfect looking foundation. Built up quite well. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. It's a medium to full, but it's quite nice, quite dewy. I love the Thin Lizzy concealer, so I'm just going to go in with that, and then I'll go off camera and finish off the rest of the look and come back and show you, and then we'll do a wear test for the day. This Thin Lizzy concealer, I just love it. You actually don't need much. I probably use too much all the time. It's fantastic coverage. Look at that. Alright peeps, that's it. The Covergirl foundation. I will duck off camera, finish off the rest of the look, come back, let you see it, and I'll do 1 or 2 check-ins throughout the day. See you again soon. Hey peeps, that's it. Look is done for the day. I've actually, everything except again the lashes, obviously I went in with Covergirl today, so I am actually doing a foundation test. Everything else bar my Lunar Angel lashes is still the incredible Australis. I'm just going to top it all off with a bit of that Selfie Protect again. It's against the blue light, so but it's supposed to set the makeup. Oh, it's a fantastic spritzer on there, and it just smells divine. Absolutely stoked. Look at the eye colour with this. come back in again with the highlighting kit. It's just spectacular. Look at that. It's up on my brow bone there. It's on my cheeks. It's beautiful. Again with the Sweet Light Chocolate. Absolutely stunning. Really, really love this brand. Love the products. Yeah, the lipstick, wearing the Bohemian with the gloss over the top, which I think was called Cheeky Chick, by memory. Yeah, so everything is still Australis bar the Covergirl foundation. So we'll hop back in a couple of hours, probably 4 or 5 hours away, and let's see how this foundation is going. And I have used the primer underneath on both sides today, so let's see how it goes. See you all again soon. Hey peeps, it has now been almost 6.5 hours since I have put on the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk foundation. I'm really loving it. It has come out so well. So along with that, I've had all of the Australis on as well. I am in love with this stuff. Such good drugstore makeup. The highlight kit, the bronzer, the eyeshadow, and of course my beloved Lunar Angel lashes. Yes, I know. They just top it off. And guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell. It'll notify you when I put up another video. I really, really appreciate your support. So that's it for me today, peeps. As always, please take care of you. Thank you for tuning in. You're all absolute legends, and I'll catch you again soon.